So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. Good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a mid-monthly journal energy check-in for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of Feb 2026. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Okay. The overall energy for Pisces people for this month, let's see. We have the Strength card, the Tower, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. You're dropping something very heavy and burdensome, something that's weighing you down energetically from quite a long time now. It's been 8 to 10 months about this situation that you are going through. Finally, you guys are coming out of the stagnation mode, and you guys are coming out of your comfort zone of being in this painful energy, and you guys are learning to how to drop something or someone out of your system for good this time, because now you can't wait for the situation to get out of your life, get out of your system anymore. So it's the energy of letting go of something or someone heavy and burdensome out of your life, out of your system, and learning to how to move ahead in your life, leaving this heaviness behind. Okay, so finally you guys are coming out of your shell, coming out of your stagnancy, coming out of your delayed kind of energy. You are not delaying anything anymore, and you are ready to go, ready to move forward, learning to how to keep moving forward. Okay, let's see what was happening in the recent past for you guys, Pisces. Temperance, you guys were very patiently waiting for something to be okay, something or someone to be okay. You guys were very patiently waiting for some kind of healing to be done, for some kind of healing to happen on a deeper level. Let's see in the current situation what we have. Five of Cups. Right now you are going through some kind of painful energy, some kind of regret, guilt, and or something. You are feeling like crying over spilled milk in a particular situation, and you are quite disappointed, mostly in yourself. By the end of this month we have Six of Pentacles. It's like trying to regain the potential of stability, of having this equal give and take of energy, balancing something out. Let's clarify the Temperance in the recent past for you guys, Pisces. We have the Emperor, the Four of Swords, the Knight of Wands. Yes, you guys were trying to take the charge of a situation in your own hands. You guys are trying to, you guys were trying your best to be courageous, to be mature, to be grounded, and to heal a situation with love and with patience. And then you were like, okay, enough of this healing thing, enough of this being patient about the situation. I have done enough of the healing. Now let's move. Okay, now let's take some action. Now let's start living our life to the fullest. Okay, so you were doing something, you were very patient, you were healing yourself from something or someone, and then you realized you are doing it from quite a long time now, and now the time has come for you to start living your life to the fullest without waiting anymore about a particular person or situation. Okay, cool. So you might be trying to take something or someone with you, but it didn't happen, and you felt like, okay, enough is enough. Now I have to move ahead in my life. I can't wait for this person or this situation forever. Now we have the Five of Cups in the current situation. Let's clarify this. We have the Page of Pentacles, Four of Wands, King of Wands. Yes, you guys are starting something. Even if you are having very heavy kind of energies inside of you, you are not feeling quite happy about something or someone. You guys are starting from the scratch. You guys are starting something from the scratch. Just starting. Okay, this is just the starting point of something. that you are not very sure about. You guys are feeling like, okay, I'm doing something, but I don't know if it is ever going to work out in my favor, if it is ever going to give me the kind of long term stability, long term happiness that I'm looking forward to have. But let me take action, let me start something from the start, let me do something about a situation in my life. For most of you, it's related to your business, long term stability of your business, job, career, or finances. You are disappointed by something that happened, something that you were relying on. It was not happening the way you wanted it to. That's why you had to leave it. Currently, you guys are in this energy of starting or restarting something from scratch, wanting it to work out in your favor for the long term, taking all the actions necessary from your side, but not sure whether it is going to work out in your favor or not. That's why you are feeling this a little bit of heavy energies around you in a situation. By the end of this month, we have the Six of Pentacles. Let's clarify this. We have Nine of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Six of Wands. Okay, you guys are going to be a little bit stressed out about a situation, about something in your life. You guys will be like, okay, I don't know if it is ever going to be in my favor. I don't know if something is going to be balanced. I don't know if I will be able to make it. But nonetheless, you guys are moving forward. And the moment you are going to decide, like, even if I am not sure, even if I'm scared, even if I don't have any idea, any fucking clue of this particular situation working out on in my favor or not, I just surrender to the divine and I'm moving forward. Everything will start working out for you in your favor, Pisces. The moment you are going to be in this energy of, in spite of your fear, in spite of your insecurities, in spite of your not knowing where you are going to land with this thing of yours, with this energy of yours, you guys are going to like listen to your higher self, or there is going to be an energy of help around you, some kind of guru, mentor, healer, a friend, a father figure kind of energy who is going to help you to keep moving forward. And then eventually you guys will be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. You guys will be able to figure out to how to make something work out in your favor, and you guys will be able to see the results of your hard work, the results of your you can say energy of keeping moving forward, even if this is not making sense, even if it hurts. Okay, it is going to be growth and expansion. It is going to be showing you the results of, okay, you will be able to get the success eventually, slowly but surely. Awesome, slowly but surely, that's the deal here. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces. Sometimes a particular reading doesn't make any sense to me. Let me know in the comment section if this reading is matching with your energies. You're pushing towards something, even if you're not sure, even if you're scared, even if you're insecure, and you're making something, some shit happen with the help of helping energies around you. At least one. Let's see the guidance here. We have the Moon card, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Star. Yes, keep going. Okay, face your fears, face your insecurities. They are nothing but your mind trying to play tricks on you to so that you are going to be in the comfort zone and you are not going to grow. Every time a person wants to grow in their life, their mind is always going to keep them in a stuck energy of, okay, stay there, it's your comfort zone. What if you are not going to get what you want? What if this will happen? What if that will happen? Do not listen to your mind, keep moving forward. Okay, have faith in yourself, have confidence in yourself, you can do it. And keep moving forward with an open heart, with an open energy of healing, optimistic energies, positive energies. Nothing can stop you, no one can stop you but yourself, right? And you walking through this dark phase, or you can say walking through this shadow side of yours, is actually going to reward you in so many ways that you are going to be surprised in a very beautiful and positive way. But the moment you are going to be frozen by your fear or your insecurities or this unsure energies, you are going to lose it all. Yeah, right. This month is all about facing your fears, facing your insecurities, facing your shadow side, and still keeping moving forward and letting shit happen, making shit happen, right? Okay, my love, let me see the final message for you guys. We have a dream come true, believe in yourself, the end of a difficult situation. you have the capacity, you have the capability to make something happen in your life. This is going to be the end of some end of a difficult situation in your life, and believe in yourself. Some same thing that I said you in the whole reading, it just confirmation that we are on the right track with the reading thing. Okay, my love, so this is the thing for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.